Welcome to Mindset Money, the channel that empowers you to achieve financial freedom and cultivate a wealth-building mindset. In today's video, we will be exploring the power of digital marketing. Digital marketing is no longer an optional tool for businesses, it's a must-have. With the power of emerging technologies, businesses can leverage digital marketing to maximize their reach and engage with customers in meaningful ways. From virtual reality to artificial intelligence, businesses can use these tools to gain insights into customer behavior and create more effective campaigns. By understanding how these technologies work together, businesses can unlock the full potential of digital marketing and create powerful experiences that drive customer loyalty and engagement. But first, what is digital marketing and how can it help my business? Digital marketing is an essential part of any successful business. It helps to build brand awareness, generate leads, and drive sales. With the right strategy and tactics, digital marketing can help your business reach its goals faster and more cost-effectively than ever before. By leveraging the power of digital channels such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, and more, you can create a comprehensive digital marketing plan that will help you reach your target audience in a more effective way. With the right mix of tactics and strategies, digital marketing can help your business grow in no time. Digital marketing is quickly becoming the go-to choice for businesses looking to reach their target audience. With its ability to reach a global audience, its cost-effectiveness, and its ability to provide detailed analytics and insights, it's no wonder why digital marketing has become so popular. Digital marketing offers several advantages over traditional methods of advertising. For starters, it allows you to target your audience more precisely than ever before. You can use data such as demographics and interests to create ads that are tailored specifically for your ideal customer. Additionally, digital marketing campaigns can be tracked in real time, which allows you to make adjustments on the fly if needed. This makes it easier than ever before to measure the success of a campaign and optimize it accordingly. In conclusion, digital marketing provides many benefits that traditional methods simply cannot compete with. Its cost-effective nature combined with its advanced targeting capabilities make it an invaluable tool for any business looking to maximize their ROI and reach their goals faster than ever before. So, whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, don't overlook the power of digital marketing. Embrace the opportunities it offers, adapt to emerging technologies, and unlock the full potential of your marketing efforts. Start building your digital presence, engage with your target audience, and watch your business thrive in the digital age. At Mindset Money, we're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and tools to succeed in the digital marketing landscape. Stay tuned to our channel for more valuable content on leveraging emerging technologies, maximizing your reach, and achieving your business goals through digital marketing.